In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tables in Microsoft Word, whether you're organizing data, creating a schedule, or simply trying to present information in a neat and structured way. Tables are an incredibly versatile tool in Word. Let's dive in and explore how you can utilize this feature to its fullest potential. First off, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file where you'd like to insert a table. This is a straightforward process that sets the foundation for everything we'll be working on today. So get your document open and let's get started. Next, we'll move on to inserting a table. Simply head over to the Insert tab, which can be found on the ribbon at the top of your Word window. This tab contains a range of insertion options, but for our needs today, we're going to focus on finding the Table option, which is crucial for the next steps. Click on Table, and a menu will drop down, offering you a selection grid to visually choose the number of columns and rows you want. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's select a table size of 5 by 5, which will give us a substantial amount of space and structure for various types of content. Once you have your table inserted, you might find that you want to adjust its size to better fit your content or your document layout. To resize your table, there are a couple of easy methods. You can increase the font size of the text within the table to affect the overall appearance, or you can simply click and drag the border or corner edges of the table to adjust its size manually. This gives you the flexibility to alter the table dimensions precisely according to your needs. Now, there might be instances where you'll want to merge cells within your table to create larger cells for headings or to consolidate information. To do this, simply click and drag across the cells you'd like to combine. Once selected, navigate to the Layout tab, and there you'll find an option labeled Merge Cells. A quick click on this will seamlessly combine your selected cells into one large cell. It's a handy feature for creating headers or simplifying the table's presentation. And there you have it, all done. These steps should give you a solid foundation for working with tables in Microsoft Word, allowing you to present your data clearly and effectively. With these tools in hand, you can customize your tables to suit any project, whether it involves text, numbers, or even complex data sets. Happy formatting, and feel free to experiment with these functions to discover the best ways to enhance your documents with tables. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring all the fantastic features Word has to offer.